go through a surprise. I got this saw, it was given to me. So far what I've seen is this. That's it. So we have a Craftsman simple pull, 42cc, has a choke, has a primer bulb. If you have a choice of ones with or without the primer bulb, get the one with the primer bulb. They start a whole lot easier. But the good thing is that the case is completely clean. Very little oil. Now, that could be one of two things or reasons why. One, they never put oil in it, and they've been running a dry chain, which is bad, or it doesn't leak, which is odd. Even I don't know, even a normal one will leak a little bit. It's a nature one. Let's see what happens. I have literally zero knowledge about this. Well, that's next to nothing. Everything looks to be in really good shape. Look at the chain. Chain definitely needs a new sharpening at the very, very least. Not bad. Probably use a brand new chain. Where's my screwdriver? There we go. Let's see if there's no oil. Oh, there's oil. Half full. That's nice. Means it doesn't leak, or the person that had it before, I guess, could have just been very careful if they put it in their case with the without it kind of draining the oil that's already been, purged through it. This might be a clean little unit. I might not even post this video if there's something wrong with it. Let's try it. Or I might just do a chain sharpening. What do you say? Let me get some gas in there, see what happens. So, this is probably going to be the most controversial one. I say that because I'm going to be discussing two different things. One, how to sharpen a chainsaw chain. And two, files. Files, everyone has their own opinion on how you should use a file. This is not the normal file that you'd be using for normal file work, but you could, like deburring and whatnot. But those are different conversations for different days. What you want to get is one of these. That's also one of those controversial items. Some people don't like these. Some of them need a little stand. Some of them just need the file. Some of them don't even need the stick. They literally just need the file. I like to have this. It has a variety of different degrees on there. 30, 22, 25. You put the file in so it is falling out of the top. Well, falling out so you could definitely tell like the bottom of the piece of metal is right here and the file is down below and clips on and off. Next you're going to want to find the angle and the size of file you need. Size of file, you put it in there till it's the right one. They usually come in packs of like 3, 4, 5, something like that. Find the one that you want. Next, find the angle that your teeth are in. The easiest way to do that is if it's like right now it's a line, that line needs to match up with the line of the bar. And if you can ring the file fairly easily without hitting the tooth unevenly, then you're okay. If you go too high of an angle, like this one, 30, you're going to be hitting the bottom of the tooth. Same thing with 25, but let's say you had a 25 angle chain. If it was too low, you'd be hitting the front of the tooth. So keep that in mind. I want to say I've only run across a 25 degree maybe once, and I've hardly ever, the 25 degree probably 4 or 5 times actually. But maybe the 30 is one time. It's almost always 22. So you hold it like this, and I don't pick it up. I don't press against it when I'm pushing forward. I press against it when I'm pulling back on it. That's the filing controversy I was talking about. Some people say it doesn't matter. Some people say you can only pull back. Some people say you're only pushing forward. Everyone has their opinion. This is mine. And it's never made me ruin a chain yet. So now, pull back and do that. Until sharp. Very sharp. Do the next one, same thing. Line it up. Very sharp. Now, something you can do to make it a little easier, get a rag too. Because we're going to do this on both sides. It's a little dirty and it's already black. Usually I take a Sharpie, but this is a black chain. Let's just scrape off the top of it. Well, it's not black, it just has a whole lot of junk in it. So the clean link is the one we need to start with on the other side. And the clean link is the one that we did on this side. Very good. So we did that one. Now we move the chain forward. This one, to be honest, is probably on its last leg anyway, but you kind of want to keep it a mental note of how many times you're doing that, because you don't really want to over sharpen one and under sharpen another one. While I'm sure that probably affects balance, it also just affects the cut of the chain. You can get little machines or like little Dremels too. I don't recommend that. I'm actually shouldn't be doing it right there anyway. And you want to keep it as level as possible. Very sharp. Line it up. Go to the next one, line it up. Go to the next one. And look, we're almost done. had this before, do not follow this because some of them are at a different angle. Like this one. You do also want to be pressing down when you do that. And look, we're at our clean one. So now, all we have to do is flip the chain, or flip the saw, and do it that way. Or you can go like this. Where's the clean one? Here we go. So we need to start with the clean one because we didn't actually do it yet. I don't really like doing it this way. Delivery man interrupted and garage dog was not a fan. Anyway. This is going to be a little tedious. I'm not going to make you watch all of it, but that's how you do it. We'll see if this saw how well it runs after. Actually, one final bit. I know someone is thinking, that's not how I do it. I've always done it this way. You're messing up the chain. Like I said, for a while like this, never had a problem. Maybe your way's better. I don't know. If it is, tell us. Don't hold your secret. Let it out. I guess one of the reasons why I don't like using Dremel is it's really hard to really get it even. You really want the teeth inside to be done too. You don't want just a sharp edge of it. You want the wood as it's going in there to be a clean cut. Maybe a couple more. Which is why the angle is so important. This should be the last one. Well, I said I was going to make you watch it, but you did anyway. Okay, well, there you have it. This is cheap, easy. These little, well, with this off, it's a lot easier, but these come out with a wooden handle, or you could buy ones with their own built-in wooden handle. This is an Oregon one. You don't have to use that one, obviously. That's just one I like. It's going to be pretty sturdy. Okay, well, I put fuel on this. Let's see if it turns on. Call me paranoid, but I never started. Starting it. Okay. Choke is on. It's been primed. Let's see what happens. Also, don't use flip-flops. Okay, well, I think I like it. Well, don't really have any wood right now to cut, but I might have like a 2x4 or something I could try it on, but I'll do that later. Well, this is how you sharpen the chain and get a nice little project in the mix. See, if you like what you watch, keep on watching, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, or a comment. See everyone later. Bye.